boys and girls, it's math time. Today I need you to find your paper that says measuring length and the one that says pencils all the way down this column. We are measuring with pencils today. So out of your pencil bag, you need to get all of your pencils from your math measuring supplies that we sent home with you. So grab those and one pencil to write with, and let's get started. All right, so with our paper today, it's the same as yesterday, but yesterday we measured with our feet. Today we're measuring with our pencils. So I have to pick an object and then estimate. That means make a smart guess and then really measure and decide how many pencils long that object is. Now, if I'm going to measure with a pencil, am I going to be looking for something small or something kind of big? If you said kind of big, you're right, okay? Because we want to make sure it's at least one pencil long. So I don't want to pick something little. I want to pick something kind of big. So my first object is going to be this table. And my estimate, I'm going to guess that it's 7 pencils long. And then we're going to measure and find out how many it really is. Okay, so let's look at this long table, and then let's get measuring. Here we go. When we measure, it's important to take the pencil and go all the way to the end. We don't want to start like this or this part won't get measured, so we want to go all the way to the end. Then our next pencil comes, and we don't want to overlap and we don't want to leave a gap. We want it to touch. When we touch it, make sure you're not pushing it over where it starts. So here we go. We're putting them next to each other. So they're touching. Then my next pencil is touching. And my next pencil is touching. And we're going to continue that way until we get to the end of this long table. Now you might be thinking, Mrs. Wettstein, why do you have such a long table? Because I have 6 people in my family, and 5 of us are grown-ups and 1 is almost a grown-up. And so we need a lot of space to sit down and have meals together. Look, I'm out of pencils and I still have a little bit more. Is it enough for a whole pencil? Nope, it's about this much. So if I have this much, that's about half a pencil. Okay, so we're gonna count our pencils and see how long our table is. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1/2, we could say. Or we could just go with 10. All right, so on my paper, I'm going to write 10 pencils long. Am I right? No. Is that okay? Absolutely, it's fine. I made my best guess, but the table is actually even longer than I thought. Now it's your job to go find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 objects in your house to go measure. Make a smart guess first. How many pencils long do you think it is? And then carefully measure it and write that down. All right, have fun measuring. See you next time.